Welcome back to ACEP Day 2. We are going to go find out what kind of educational content and other highlights we can find for today. How's your conference been so far?
It's been great. I listened to Amalma too. He reminded me to think of congestive heart failure as not a fluid overload problem, but as a fluid redistribution problem.
The innovative solutions that I've thought about for my department are, dedicated phlebotomy, maybe the cardiology who's billing for the EKGs, they can pay for the EKG techs, right? I don't know. Let's see what we will learn.
Are you giving that lecture? I feel like we should figure out how to get you there as soon as we possibly can. What is something that you learned today so far?
I just learned that you need to dumb things down and stop thinking so much.
We're going really fast. Where are we going?
Our friend's conference.
Your friend is having a conference. You're late. What are you hoping to learn from your friend's conference? Why did we stop running? I feel like we're still late.
I was in a situation room yesterday. We had some residents and some more experienced docs, and the patient that we did the case on had AFib, and the resident said, let's shock him. Let's get it over with. And the older doc was like, well, I'm not really sure. I might do some rate control. There's risks and, med mal and all those kind of things. And we worked through the case, and at the end, she said, you know what? I need to shock the patient. And it just kind of opened up my heart and said, this is why we do this, right? This is what we do, is take good care of patient.
As you can see, ACEP is definitely the place to be, to do things like update your skills and learn the most recent clinical practice, to see what kind of new technology is popping up in emergency medicine, and where leaders from across the country come together to solve our specialties problems. It's definitely an awesome place to do all those things, and we hope to see you tomorrow.